No.
No.
Day
take
after
both
New
off?
Year's Day.
Day after New Year's, we're gonna try to pull out Rebecca's
loose one
teeth.
first?
2007.
Okay,
Ready?
tip your head back.
Come on,
You keep
Rebecca,
going.
you can do it. You can do it.
Oh, she'll do
You're
it.
small.
Try the tweezers, maybe they'll work.
Yeah.
He's got pliers and he's got tweezers.
Needle nose pliers.
Oh my gosh, it's just
Can't hang on to 'em.
shaped up. Oh.
Did you do it?
No.
Can't hang on to
Trying
the teeth.
It's just the way they're shaped. Instead of going.
Should try it one more time.
Oh, will that hurt, Becca? Yay! She's got a
I see.
tooth out.
It's not even bleeding.
Oh.
Let's see.
I can't believe
Oh,
you.
you're so cute.
You can do that, Rebecca.
Yeah, it is.
Just a tiny bit.
There's a napkin right there.
Yay, Becky!
Just roll it up and bite on it. And
No, it's fine. It's not even
some
hardly
toast
bleeding.
and cheese on it.
Put it- let me
Oh,
put
not
it in.
even hardly bleeding.
Well, it's just a
a
life.
tooth.
It's just
Oh,
a tooth
wow.
coming out. It
Cool.
bleeds.
I'm gonna put it in my tooth.
Ah.
Whoa! Suck on it.
No, here.
No, just close your mouth. How's your tongue feel in there?
Good job, Rebecca.
Okay, here. Just open your mouth big
Should I pull out the other one?
and bite that.
Not yet.
The other one's not.
Okay, is it ready now? Let me try
Now
now.
you look like Junie B. Jones.
Oh, look at that. Here's.
Oh, I don't know how she could let you do that.
I couldn't even let Dad
Brave. They're brave.
wiggle my tooth.
Oh, Rachel missed it. Ah!
It's
See
okay,
your
'cause you got it on
tooth?
camera.
Rebecca, how could you do that? When I was your age, I couldn't even let Dad wiggle my tooth.
Oh,
and
you're
it
so
was-
brave.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off till we get the other tooth going.
Okay,
Yeah, you can turn it off.
But now if you go, and you wiggle around, you won't be able to grab it.
Ammon, would you get me a drink of water?
No, I don't want to see it.
Go get me a drink.
Are you videoing, Ammon?
Uh-huh.
You are?
We're gonna
Are you videoing?
this tooth out tonight, today.
I don't see if I can.
No.
I'm just gonna see if I can grab it here.
I don't want to look at it. I don't want to
You
look
did
at
it?
It slipped off. Whoa.
Oh, jeez.
What did it hurt? Did it hurt? Or
Did you pull it out?
Did it wiggle more?
Wait,
Did you get it looser at least by that?
well, I don't know. Should I try with this one?
wait.
Oh, hey, get an ice
No,
cube.
you can't. 'Cause you,
Get her an ice cube
what
to
does she
freeze
need an ice
it.
cube? No, it's fine. Tip your head back so I can. Right there?
Did it?
Look at her. There it is. Oh, you got blood on your mouth.
She's like,
She does.
Mom, I made sure I looked at your face the whole time.
You got her though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Not me.
Oh, that was awesome. She just.
oh, that's why I hurt so much.
Hi, Malin.
Hi.
She was still tight on her.
I'm eating.
No, that one was not nearly as. I would never have tried to pull it. I didn't think it was wiggly enough for me.
What are you doing?
I'm looking at the
Filming
tooth.
the tooth. You could see where
Nice.
the skin was still highly attached there. That was a big job.
Not highly attached, just quite. Okay, let's what?
Look at it.